Hey folks, I'm Mobile Geezer, and if this is your first time checking out my channel, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon so you'll be notified of any new videos, and welcome. Hey folks, Mobile Geezer back with a quick unboxing of the Galaxy S10e. So I picked this up yesterday from Best Buy, traded in my LG G6, got 300 for that, which I thought was pretty good. As you can see, it's the unlocked version. So let's get our unboxing knife and get it open. I'll take the phone out first, put that aside for now, so I can show you what else is in. So we've got our charging brick, little Type A to Type C connector for copying data, some AKG headphones, and our power cable. There's the Galaxy S10e. You can see I got it in white. Let's peel off that backing. It's quite beautiful to me. Now this 5.8-inch size does feel small to me after all the big phones I've used, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. There's that punch hole in the top right corner for the front-facing camera. There's the power button, which also doubles as your fingerprint sensor. On the left, of course, we have our Bixby button, our volume up and down. Up top, our SIM tray and a microphone. And on the bottom, our headphone jack, USB Type-C in connection, and our bottom firing speaker to go with our top earpiece speaker. Around back, our 12 megapixel f.1 aperture camera and our 16 megapixel ultra wide. So let's get our SIM tray opened up, and I'll get this set up and get back to you guys. So I have the 6 gigabyte version, which allows you to put in a SIM card up to 128 gigs. And now I'll let this boot up and get back to you when we're all booted up. So now we're all booted up. You probably know it has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor. Comes with Android 9 Pie and Samsung's One UI. It's got an HDR10 always on display. Of course, it has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 front and back with an aluminum frame. Testing that sound out later on. So I'll give you a size example. There it is next to my iPhone XR. And there it is next to my Moto G7 Plus. So you can see it does feel small, but that flat display makes it feel pretty good. Let's test out that fingerprint sensor. That seems pretty responsive. I'll let you see what that camera interface looks like. There's regular, there's wide, regular again, wide again. So I took it outside and took the first couple of photos. That's regular. There's the wide shot. There's me in regular and me in the wide shot. I'll put those in. There's your regular sensor, your wide sensor, me with the regular sensor, and your wide sensor. You can see it was a dreary winter day. So that's my quick unboxing of the Galaxy S10e. I have a feeling I'm probably going to love this device, though I'll have to get used to the smaller size after all the big phones I use. But of course, we'll be doing a lot of testing, and I'll be doing some camera comparisons with the iPhone XR, probably with the Moto G7 Plus, and a whole bunch of other phones. So that's it for today, folks. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Please share and subscribe. And as always, comments are welcome. And thanks for watching.
Yeah.